You will see the name of the winners 30 minutes from the time that this video has been uploaded. What is up, UKULIMBAKERS? UKULIMBAKERS, welcome to my channel and welcome to 2021. I hope you're all doing well. Happy New Year to everybody. And I'm making this short video just to announce or to update you about my giveaway. I'm going to post the winners today, but first let me tell you a story, which is short story only, yeah? So, I asked some of you in the YouTube community tab whether we're going to give one kalimba, which is kinda, expensive or more expensive than the other kalimbas, or budget kalimbas. The thing is, if I will buy one kalimba, which is kinda more expensive than the other kalimbas, the receiver is only one. But we're thinking of filling the planet with kalimbas, Nax. Filling the planet with, these tiny music lullabies. And so, we come up with, buying many kalimbas for this giveaway. And so, you helped me concluded that we should buy many kalimbas for this giveaway, which is not really expensive, but good enough or decent enough for a person to learn. I know some kalimbas, not expensive, they're not too cheap, but they do the job, yeah? They do the job of being a decent and fine kalimba. Also, since we planned to spice things up, the first plan was to attach the kalimba on my drone and fly it to the sky. And inside the box, there are the entries, and the entries will fall on the ground, which I will pick up, and that's the winner. But that seems not practical because after attaching the kalimba on my drone, the drone is being pulled down by the kalimba, and that's so funny because it's not possible. And so, just to prevent the risk of losing the kalimba and the drone, we make it a kind of a draw. So I choose the winner randomly, but I actually posted a question in my community tab about the process. And the question goes like, how will the kalimba fly to the sky? Something like that, because it's entitled Kalimba Fly Away. And someone guessed like, gonna attach it to a helicopter or to a balloon with helium and it will fly. And it's so funny seeing those comments, so thank you. But one actually guessed it right, and she won a kalimba. And there is this girl who tagged a lot of her friends in Instagram, and I kept getting notifications, like I kept saying her name. Maybe she tagged all her friends in the barangay, that she is in. And so I sent her a message and I told her, so you don't need to join this giveaway, I'm giving you a kalimba for your effort. Because regardless of the number of your comments in my Instagram, it's still one entry for your name. So there are already two people who won a kalimba. First is the one who guessed how I will fly the kalimba. The next one is the person who commented a lot in my IG post. Alright? So those two will receive a kalimba, and you'll see their names in the post that I will make, or in the list of names of the winners. But wait, there's more. If you don't win in this giveaway, let me just announce this to you. Kalimbera is now giving away kalimbas, and the sending of entries has just started. You'll see the video right here. Watch this video and you'll see the description. You will know how to join this giveaway. So, there are many kalimba giveaways. Yeah? If there are many kalimba giveaways, there are many chances of winning. Right? And we fill the earth with kalimbas. Let's do that. You will see the winners of this giveaway either there in the description below or in my Instagram post. However, if you don't win one, there are more chances of winning because Kalimbera is now giving away kalimbas, just as I announced a while ago. And we're planning to give away kalimba every month. Let me know if that's a good idea or not. If it's not, okay, let's not do it. Easy, right? Bye-bye.